Hello, and welcome to Vilter Manufacturing in Cudahy, Wisconsin. My name is Steve Seelar, and I will be introducing our Modular Refrigeration Unit. Our MRU consists of three major components: our evap room, engine room, and air-cooled condenser. We have our cascade heat exchanger outside. This is condensing CO2 from a gas to a liquid, using flooded ammonia to transfer the heat between the two. We have our glycol system underneath. This is a glycol pump and glycol heat exchanger. Again, this is flooded with liquid ammonia. The vessel on top separates the liquid from the vapor. The vapor returns to the suction side of our ammonia compressor. And here's our CO2 evap room. We have two large coils in our evap room. They are returns to the cold space with these downdraft fans. Here's our engine room with our VFDs and starter panels, I/O panels mounted to our compressor skids, and our PLC with our HMI. Here's our ammonia skid, two single screw compressors with vertical separators. The oil that is being separated in our vertical separators is cooled by liquid injection. The discharge gas that goes out from our separator first goes through our plate heat exchanger, where we can harvest heat to provide a load for our CO2 evaporators, then goes through our air-cooled condensers and is returned in our liquid receivers. We have four CO2 compressors that take CO2 from our evaporator coils, pressurize it to high temperatures and pressures, send it to our cascade heat exchanger, where the CO2 becomes condensed back into liquid and can be reused in the cycle over and over again. CO2 systems that regularly shut down, such as ours, require a CO2 condensing unit. This particular 3-ton unit runs on R404A. We are now in the supply side of our evap room. This is where the CO2 is injected into our two large coils. This space is usually very cold, but we are currently not running. We can perform hot gas defrost on these coils, but we've partitioned the rooms to make that job slightly easier. We have electric defrost in our pans to facilitate in removing moisture. As we walk out into the catwalk, we have our cascade heat exchanger outside. This is outside for testing purposes, for accessibility. Liquid is added to our heat exchanger in the same direction that the vapor is removed off of the heat exchanger. This helps desuperheat the suction gas that is returning to the compressor. Hot CO2 gas is sent into the heat exchanger and comes out condensed as liquid CO2. Thank you for taking a tour of our MRU with me. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Vilter Manufacturing for more information. Thank you.